Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301883, and this is a 2022 Chevy Silverado LT, and our color is blue. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on this unit. All right, so we got power windows, mirrors, locks, power driver's seat with lumbar support. Got our parking brake, 4x4 controls, interior and exterior lighting control. Steering wheel features forward collision alert, cruise control settings, hands-free, and heat. We are satellite radio ready. Got our lane keep assist, auto start stop, tailgate release, traction control, the master window button, push start ignition, trailer brake, electronic and dual climate control with heated front seats, USB charging ports, automatic transmission. We are also OnStar ready. We've got our rear window control and garage door openers, and our interior color is shale. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, a 60/40 split bench seat, a couple of USB charging ports for our rear passengers, and some extra storage compartments for you. And onto our exterior, got 18-inch Chevy rims, mud flaps, tailgate step, got a rear view camera, tailgate release, spray on box liner. And there you have it, guys. That's stock number 301883. You just checked out this 2022 blue Chevy Silverado LT. Thanks for watching.